Hello all, our topic is SQL injection. In this, we are going to see the real-time scenario of SQL injection. In this video, we see how to bypass the login authentication using SQL injection. Let us see how web page communicates with the database. When an registered user enters his credentials like username and the password, the web page or the web application communicates with the database through the SQL statement, which the database understands. When the login page sends the queries to the database, and the database understands the SQL statement and it returns whether it is true or false from the given data stored database. Let's see the above given queries which the web page communicates the database through query. The query is the user entered value of the query is denoted in red. User can only manipulate the red part of the query. So the injection only occurs in the red part, that is the login form. If the above query returns true when it communicates the database, then the login is successful. The above query returns false when it is communicates the database, the login is unsuccessful. Let's see how to inject the database. Our aim of the injection is to manipulate the SQL query when it is sent to database, and it should return always true to login successfully. So we are going to implement the injection using OR logic gate, which it returns true when one of the input is true. For example, we take P as username and the Q as password. The next will be continued by my teammate.
In the above slide, we seen that OR gate is used to OR logic is used to make the input as true. So, for example, to use the code as true, we are using OR command in the username itself. So we are using a hyphen or 1 equal to 1 double hyphen. So we can that is semicolon or 1 is equal to 1 double hyphen. So in using this command, we can easily break out the credentials by making 1 equal to 1 as a true statement, and so R will make the whole SQL command as a true thing. So for example, the hyphen indicates that is a string and R indicate that is an OR logic. 1 equal to 1, it will return true, and double hyphen that will skip the next command to the it, because see, while seeing this command like select star from user where username is equal to single quotes or 1 equal to 1 double hyphen, and next to it we are having and, so skipping that and we are using double hyphen. So next is like we are having two methods in applying this command. So one is get method. In the get method, we can use that command in the URL itself, because in the URL we can see that username equal to and password equal to. So we can make that command. We can type that command in the URL itself. For in the post method, we can't see this username equal to and password equal to in the URL. We can see only the page like page name. So we can only way to use the command is in the username text box. So we can specify the command in the username text box, and we can give login. So it will lead us to crack the username and passwords of the websites, and we can see how to prevent these kind of attacks to our websites. So in the previous thing, we have seen that we are using a command. So to make that command unworkable, so we are making that command into a string. So making that command into a string, we are using a bind command. So while using bind underscore param, we can use what that username and password, whatever type we need. For example, here in this command bind underscore password yes comma username, here that yes indicates that it is a string. So it will accept only the string, and if we type anything, it will convert it into a string. And if in the place of yes, if we put I, then it will make it into an integer. So using this bind parameter, we can easily make that command into a string. So it will make the command into unworkable thing. So we can prevent our website by using this command. So we can easily stop these kind of attacks by using this command. We can see an example of these command in picture shown here. Here we can see there is an start bind command. So here it will change the username and password into a string, and then it will go to the matching the strings into the password. So it will result if that string is not there, it will be shown that it was like it will show there is no these kind of username and password. So this is the one of the way to prevent prevent the attack that was given by this command. That's all. Thank you.